Welcome to the crypto bear market. Volume has been quite low across the board for all the major cryptos, obviously. Hopefully you're not panicking and selling, and hopefully you're looking at this as an opportunity to continue to stock up on some of the major cryptos and also on Ethereum to add to your portfolio if you're working on any projects or if you're converting Ethereum into other coins like bezoge and some other altcoins and other projects that are on NFT gaming. Now, I know from our poll the other day that I think over 70% of you are staying the course. I think there's only 2 or 3 people that clicked that they're panicking about their dog coins, but that could have been a joke. And I know a lot of you are also stocking up on some other coins as well, and a few of us have just been throwing random money into random altcoin projects or just coins that look like complete memes and are very high risk, and pretty much if you put $100 into them, you might not ever see that back, but if they do get pumped up, they could go crazy. So for the few of us that are bored and are doing that, congratulations. We are throwing our money away, or we are just having fun, or we might hit something like a lottery ticket. But going back onto the bear market, we have hit it the last couple of days, obviously with tons of news from the Fed hikes and this and that, and if it continues over the next 24 to 72 hours, I believe Ethereum, Bitcoin, everything is going to probably get pretty low. We might see Ethereum hit $2,000 by the end of next week if this continues. And Bitcoin, can we see Bitcoin hit 32,000 again? Let's scroll out here. We had that flash. Wait, let's see. When was the last time we hit it? We hit it September 29th. We were at 41,000 there. Anything lower? Let's just check here. July is when we hit. Yeah, July 20th was when we hit 29,000. Then we spiked right back up. And I believe we could hit some lows because all the algorithms for all these big investors and all these people holding Bitcoin like crazy, they're going to sell. They're probably going to sell at some point over the weekend because they know it will trigger massive panic and massive panic selling. And they've got the algorithms and the software, all the bots, etc., to really make some money on this. So they'll probably sell, somebody holding, 200-300 Bitcoin, even 1,000 will probably start putting in to sell at 40,900 here, or maybe they'll do it tomorrow on Monday, and then they'll just drop the price into the mid-30s or even lower, and then their algorithms will pick up to continue buying the coin at that level, and they'll go back up, and they'll do it again. Bitcoin is being so manipulated by the huge investment banks, the firms, hedge funds, this and that, and just big whales. They're playing, and they know because once they start selling off, everyone is going to panic sell. Everyone that's been day trading crypto or following TikTok videos on how to make moves have been putting their life savings into it instead of keeping it as a long-term investment. They've been trading it every day or this or that, trying to make a quick buck, and they're going to panic or they're going to get closed out on some positions by next Friday, etc., etc. There's tons of things going on, and that will make the market go down. And unfortunately, it's not good. It's actually, it's good for those elect few that are doing it, like they're having a fun time, but for the rest of us, it's annoying to see it going up and down like a seesaw because they're just playing with people's emotions or whatever. But there is a little bit of a plus side for us, especially for us that need Ethereum or that are mining it or that are buying it to, convert into bezoge or just long-term investing on it. Especially over here back to Ethereum. Let's actually see, when did Ethereum drop to the 2s again? September-ish, yeah, 27, I remember that. And then that July time, yeah, July 20th, 1700, there it is. So, if it happens again, especially since we have to use Ethereum to pay for fees and everything and blah, 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 and projects and to convert it into bezoge and into a bunch of other coins too. It's a good buying opportunity. I'm going to slowly keep buying Ethereum right now. I'm also mining it still on the small scale. I've kind of cut down my mining rigs, but we still got about 6 or 7 cards mining. One of them gets turned off because it is my graphics driver for this computer. But if Ethereum drops down to the 2,000 range, you know, you buy it up, and then when it seesaws right back up to 4,000, you've doubled your money, but you can use it to buy other coins, and it's a good investment right now. I don't have any advice for you guys if you are holding it to sell right now, just because, you know, we don't have the algorithms in place to catch it when it starts going back up, and so we don't miss it. But it's up to you. But I would just slowly stock up on Ethereum right now. Just slowly, just buy small amounts, like $100 there, $200, $300 there, and as it keeps dropping, you continue buying. But, you know, follow that trend line. What is the volume? Let's see. What is the volume? This volume is low. 23,000. Average volume for 10 days is 32,000. I believe coins. Right? Yeah. So, you can see volume is low there. Let's see what Bitcoin's volume is. Yeah, the volume is lower than usual. Look at that. 10-day volume is 3.7. 2.06. Let's see about Shiba, because Shiba is, well, Shiba's going down. You know, a lot of people that bought into the hype. I know there's a lot of YouTubers that keep pumping this up. There's hundreds of YouTubers that keep pumping Shiba up. They do like 5 or 6 videos a day. It's so bad. It's so not, they shouldn't be doing that at all. I don't know, but, you know, that's how they get their views. Shiba's volume average 10-day is 1.16 trillion. Now it's almost hitting a trillion today. But then again, look at this massive red candle. There's some massive. I bet you some whales have sold off a little bit, or you have a lot of smaller accounts closing. People that are holding like a couple million, or maybe $1 billion or $2 billion or $3 billion. They're just getting out. Now, if you believe in the Shiba project, you know, these are not bad prices. I mean, you know, as you guys know, I've sold Shiba a lot at the highs, and if it keeps going down, you know, Shiba looks good for late 2022, early 2023, so you could buy some as it keeps going down, you know, small amounts, especially if you have like Voyager or something. Not Coinbase. Coinbase charges so much fees, but on Voyager it's perfect. You know, you just transfer in money like $100 and you can instantly buy. You buy $100 here, $50 there, whatever. As it goes down, it all adds up, because once it starts going the other way, parabolic, you're good to go. CKB, a coin that we talked about the other time. I mean, this volume is just low to begin with. It's just had low volume as well, just because they're not really known that much, because they haven't been marketing towards the mainstream. They've just been marketing towards developers and software people, and things like that. So CKB isn't trying to be a pump or to go to the moon or whatever. They're still working on it. They're still 2 years out from completing their project. So CKB is a great time to buy anytime now. It doesn't matter, you're just accumulating. Same with the Shiba. Ethereum is more expensive, that's the thing. So, but this is the bear market, guys. Let me know what you're doing, or what other coins you're looking at. Look at this. Look at Litecoin. This is Litecoin, yeah. Litecoin. 52-week range, 103 to 413, and you know, before that, you know, if you go a couple weeks before, if you go to like a 58 or 60, 72-week range, that price was a lot lower. It would be nice if you could see Litecoin drop a little bit more. You can buy some up. I do not know what Litecoin is doing now, what's going on with it. I still own quite a few coins of it from a long time ago. Holding it for the future, but we'll see. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Enjoy the Saturday, depending where you are. If you're enjoying the snow, I might go outside in the snow for a bit. So, like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends. Post it on Facebook, Discord, Telegram, and all sorts of places. And I'll see you in a bit.